welcome back to Yearbook. Today it's an important segment.
We're unboxing the yearbooks.
Raymond?
Guys, there might be a dead cat in here.
Ooh.
Do the honors.
You do it. I'm scared.
Okay.
Is this really an animal?
Oh man.
Ooh. I'm scared. Raymond, this is a dead cat tail. It's no dead animal. Okay. This is last year's Raymond.
Raymond,
What is this?
guess the other one.
The other box.
Blood where I found the box. I don't feel safe here.
Is this the right box?
Really hope so.
Okay.
Okay. Your turn.
I'll do it this time, since last time we got a dead cat tail. Open so slow. Ooh. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You open. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
So faint. Oh.
They're fancy. This is, ready? We'll flip it over.
Oh. Yeah.
This is this year's yearbook, the Friends theme. It says, the one where we remember our years, Gators, 2024. Yearbooks will be distributed Friday, May 24th in 7th period.
Make sure you get them before then.
Yay!